Afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great retro RV review from Parkway RV Center. Quick disclaimer, guys. This unit is our personal coach. This is not for sale. Probably will never be for sale. But today we're going to look at a 1973 Newell 38-foot diesel pusher motorhome. One of only 3 known to still be in existence that L.K Newell actually built. And for those of you who are not familiar with the Newell Motor Coach story, of course, L.K Newell started building these in 1969. He wasn't happy. Of course, back then all you could get was a front engine gas motorhome. Wasn't happy with that. He was actually the first person to design and build a diesel and a rear engine diesel motorhome. First one he built with a rear engine diesel was 1972. This is a 1973 model. One of the last ones that he built before he sold his company, which is still around today as Newell Motor Coach. Of course, they're $1 million now, pretty much. But guys, we've been trying for months to buy this. This just came in this morning. As many of you know, one of the things we do, we don't advertise, is we like to restore old motorhomes and make them, you know, it's just what we do, and it's what we do as a family. And got a pretty good collection. You know, our long-term goal is to actually build a big, huge indoor showroom / museum to display some of these at, and that's a few years down the road. But we're actually going to restore this one, but it isn't actually in fine condition as it is, and I just want to show it to you. It's kind of a PR video. Like I said, it's not really for sale, but we just put brand new tires on. It's 38 feet long. A lot of upgrades over the years. About 2005, it had a brand new crate C-Series Cummins motor added to the back, and then they rerouted the radiator from the rear to the side. And this thing's absolutely beautiful. You know, a few little things. I've got a tail light lens missing and things like that, but when we get through with this thing, guys, it'll be museum quality. I'll guarantee you that. I got a newer 12.5 kW Onan diesel generator in the front, and just beautiful, beautiful colors. In fact, the people that helped design this motorhome used to be former Airstream employees, so you're going to see a lot of the Airstream design features in this motorhome. And guys, what's it worth? We paid quite a bit for it, but this is one of those things that could be pretty much priceless. Fabric awning, looks beautiful. Got the 5-speed Allison transmission that was added when the motor was put in. Of course, we just washed it. Beautiful colors. Let's look inside this thing, guys, and you know, definitely a blast from the past, to say the least. Look at the tile floor, which we got a few little tiles missing. We're going to try to match up. Dang, look at this thing, guys. And you won't believe how well this coach rides and drives. This has some newer flex steel leather seats put in it, a backup camera, so a lot of the safety features that we enjoy today is still in this coach. Original GE CB radio, of course, upgrade CD player. Look at that old school Allison shifter right there, and it is automatic. And you know, and all I can tell you is, if you think motorhomes of today are complicated, guys, you've got no idea. Look at all them gauges. How much we take for granted on these newer motorhomes, that back when this was on the road, that you had a lot more complicated procedures to operate. Man, this thing is inside is immaculate. Of course, we're going to do quite a bit of stuff to it. We're going to, I notice these front chairs right here have been recovered. We're going to try to recover them in as close to the original factory material as possible. Sofa, I believe that's factory, so we're probably going to leave that alone. Got the head knocker rail all the way around it. Lots of storage, lots of lights in here. Got the U-line ice maker, which we're going to restore. Wow. Of course, we're going to try to find a period-specific stove and oven to replace this one with. So if anybody's got one or knows of one, please let me know. Got a very cool bathroom setup, guys. Of course, got a newer fridge in it. It's got a 3-room bathroom. And let me show you. First room is to your left right here. And you open this up, and this is your toilet room pretty much. Check out that original wallpaper. And these are actually pictures taken from where places this motorhome has been. So that's really cool. Next room is the washroom. And in here, you've got your sink. Look at this, portable personal clothes dryer. And basically, of course, it's not basically you throw some clothes in there, turn it on, it dries your clothes or towel or whatever, and that's not going to hold much. But that's actually original equipment. Now, whether it works or not, we haven't tried that yet. Directly across from the washroom is the original shower. Look at this, guys. And that's actually a big shower. Really cool. And I'm excited about this one, guys. I mean, I can't wait to get started on it. Big closet. Of course, 2 roof airs. Queen bed in the back. Wow. And that's just what we do, guys. You know, it's funny. I know a lot of RV dealership owners, and you'd be surprised how many different RV dealers or people that own RV dealerships have nothing to do with RVs. They just look at it as something to buy and sell to make a profit on. But guys, we're the Adamses. I mean, we've been doing this for 52 years. I'm 3rd generation. This is what we love to do, guys. I mean, we live, breathe, and eat RVs, and we love the old stuff. We love restoring them. We've actually got 6 or 7 different units that we have restored or in the process of restoring, including Travcos, FMCs, and more. Frank's Motorhomes, a lot of them that we'll never sell, that we're restoring, and I may do some PR videos on those as well. We've actually got a separate shop about a mile from here that we usually don't have open to the general public that we keep them at. So, but I just wanted to show you all this, kind of show you what we like to do. This is kind of our hobby, and every once in a while, take them out camping. So it's really cool. You know, I know some of my viewers may not be into retro RVs, but I really am. I love them. And this is just one that I was just ecstatic to get. And thank you to the folks that sold it to us. I know it was a hard decision. It was one of the situations where the husband had restored this thing, spent over $70,000 in the early 2000s on this coach, restoring it, used it, and passed away. And of course, the widow bought it from her, which, you know, one of the conditions that we bought it, we had to tell her we weren't going to resell it, which we have no intentions of ever selling this coach, guys. And I'm hopefully one day, here in the next few years, we get that indoor showroom built. That's going to be awesome. It's got 272,000 miles on it, guys. But of course, the motor doesn't have near that many, or the transmission. But it's cool. It's a 73 Newell, right before L.K Newell sold his company. So, and you know, it's cool for those of you who are into RV history. It's just a great opportunity. And I just want to show this to you guys because I'm excited about it. I know some of y'all may not give a flip, but just kind of give you an idea of what we do and why we do it. And anyway, guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. And you never know, one day or the next what I'm going to shoot a video on. And look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.